Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. As students, we often see that many of our friends earn money mainly by doing private tutoring. Tutoring is a good option, but it shouldn't be the only one. If we have the right skills, we should also get the chance to work online and gain real world experience. But there is a problem. Finding a good internship or remote job is not that easy. Most job websites are made for experienced people, not for the student like us. To solve this, I have been working on an idea for a long time. And now with my team, we have built a platform called PathStarter. PathStarter is not just another website. It's made especially for students by the students. Here, companies can post internship and remote jobs. Students can apply with confidence, even if they are first time. Today we are excited to show you our project and how it works. Let's start the homepage, the main face of our platform. When you land on PathStarter, the first thing you see is a clean and simple homepage. Right at the center, we placed a powerful search bar where students can type their desired role and instantly start exploring opportunities. At the top, there is a navigation bar that makes moving around the website effortless. On the left side, you will always see a website name, reminding users that it is where their journey begins. On the right, we have included the most important options: sign up, sign in, post a job, and company reviews. This layout keeps everything simple, ensuring that students and companies can quickly get where they want to go. Here you can see some quick filters for the easy search system. Then you can see a stats section for engaging the users. Then you can see a job recommended for you. It has a strong filtering option. If you need technology related job, you can just click at the technology. It will appear some technology related job. Then if you need content writing, you just click on the content writing. You can easily apply from easy apply button. The application submitted successfully. Here the notification arrived. If you need more jobs, you can click on show more job option. Then you can scroll down and see why students choose PathStarter. Here lots of reason, of course. If we scroll down, we can see a career development tools that will help the student for resume building, interview preparation, and see company reviews. And here is the newsletter section. They can connect with us from this section. And this is our footer section.
Now let's move inside the sign in and sign up pages. For students, the sign up page is straightforward. We have one click sign up with Google or LinkedIn, or they can create an account with basic details like name, email, and password. We use encryption to show and hide password. Then one can choose his option for student or recent graduate or other. This makes it easy for the system to match them with relevant internship and jobs. Then one need to agree with terms and policies. Then we need to click create account button and it will create the account. Then the profile will show up. One can sign out if needed. Then we have sign in pages where one can sign in with the email address and password. Once signed in, it will welcome users back with their personal dashboard. Students can track application, save opportunities, and customize their profile, while companies can manage their job posting. Our design goal was simple: keep it minimal, fast, and student friendly.
Now, I will describe the Find Job button. It has the same search bar in middle and categories job section in the down left. Here, student can find jobs and internships in multiple fields like software development, design, marketing, content writing, and many more. And since we understand that many students want flexibility, so we have also included a remote job option. This allows students to gain real world experience while working from home. When a student clicks on a job, they see all the important details clearly listed like job title, company name, required skills, duration, and location. This level of transparency helps students make informed choice about where to apply. Students can search using search button for their desired jobs. They can apply to any desired job post by using the Easy Apply button. After clicking in Easy Apply button, notification will appear to show either the application is successful or not.
Now let's take a look at the post a job and company review features. For companies, posting a job is simple. They just fill out a form with the job title, company name. They can also choose their industry, job title, salary range, skills required, application, deadline, and so on. This makes it easy for employers to connect with the right candidates. They have to agree with the terms of service and privacy policy. If employers need to help post a job, they can contact with us by this page. Here is a form. They can select their problem and issues and they can message us. On the other side, there is our customer support number, email, and office address. Now, let's move into company review page, and company review section adds a unique value for students. Here, students can read reviews from others who have already worked with a company. Here, users can explore company culture, salaries, and interview experiences. There is a search bar to quickly look up companies, and below that we highlighted top rated companies like Google, Microsoft, Apple, and making it easier for job seekers to research trusted organizations.
Now let's talk about the footer section of our website. When we were designing it, we wanted to make sure it was compact but still useful. So we gathered all the essential buttons and links in one place. To keep things organized and easy to navigate, we divided the footer into four main sections. The first section is dedicated to our social media presence. Here we included direct links to our official pages on LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. The idea is to give users a quick way to connect with us outside the website, follow our updates, and stay engaged with our community. The second section is designed specifically for students since they are one of our primary audiences. In this section, we included several helpful buttons. The first one is Browse Job, which allows students to easily search through job postings and find opportunities that suits their needs. Then we have the Browser Companies button, where user can explore information about different companies and potential employers. To support career preparation, we added a resume builder button that helps individuals create professional resumes in a simple and guided way. Next, we included a career advice button where students can access tips and resources related to career growth and opportunities. And finally, there's the Post Your Resume button, which allows students to upload their resumes so employers can find them directly. Moving on the third section, this one is built for employers. where we added a post a job button which make it easy for companies to share their job openings on our platform. Alongside that, we included a browse resume button which give employers access to a pool of potential candidates, making the hiring process more efficient. Lastly, the fourth section is the support area. This section is all about helping users whenever they have difficulties or have questions. We included a help center button which makes user to a page filled with popular help topics designed to guide them through common issues. Along with that, we have a frequently asked section where we have already answered some of the most common questions that students and employers might have. And to ensure transparency and trust, this section also includes links to our privacy policy and term of service. So by organizing the footer into these four sections, social media, student resources, employer resources, and support, we have tried to make sure that all the important features are accessible in one compact and user-friendly space.
This is the PathStarter project root. The frontend folder holds all UI pages, index, jobs, companies, profile, resume builder, login, and several policy and help pages, plus style.css for styling and script.js for client-side interactions. At the project root, you can see server.js and package.json. Package.json lists dependencies, scripts, while node module contains installed packages. The backend server.js serves the frontend static files and exposes API routes for actions like login, posting jobs, searching, and submitting resumes. There is also database.db file, likely a SQLite DB, which store data. Typical tables would be users, jobs, companies, and resumes. Package log.json pins dependency versions. Readme.md documents setup and license covers project licensing. This is clear separation of front-end, backend, and database. Makes the app scalable and easy to extend.